Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to do an unboxing of my Speedmaster Professional caliber 1863. I ordered this watch a couple weeks ago. I've had it for about a week now and I realized I didn't do an unboxing video, so I'm going to go ahead and do that today. So the watch comes in multiple different boxes. This first one is the box for the display box. And then once I open it up, it comes with, on the outside, the operating instruction manual, and then it has a customer service card, and then the warranty information as well. So the first thing I noticed outside of this medallion was just how nice everything is on here. The straps feel super premium. The medallion is, nice and shiny, made out of metal, and the straps to hold down the watch box was actually really well done. And then actually took some finagling to get it open, but basically had it push down on it, and then it would pop open. There's three individual different compartments here. I'll go ahead and open this left one up first, which contains the loop. And then it's an Omega branded loop. Over here is the Speedmaster medallion. It has a nice little weight to it, so it's a nice little touch that they added into this box. So the first strap here is the astronaut strap, and then the black NATO strap here. And then lastly, the Omega branded. And then lastly, the watch itself. Full transparency, I had opened up the box previously and the watch actually came in this plastic container from my authorized dealer. And I think the reason they did that was because my wrist was a little bit smaller. So having it fully on this pillow would have stretched out the links and the band. So I think they put it in this because of that. And I'm thankful that they did that to not out the bracelet. But I'll show you the watch itself, and it's an awesome timepiece. So I ended up getting the 1863, the Sapphire sandwich, and then the reason I wanted to get it was so I can get the exposed case back. I hope you like this video. I have a couple more in the works, and I'll link to them when they're complete in the description. I almost overlooked this, but underneath the display box, there are a couple more booklets. This first one being a book that has kind of the history of the Moonwatch and different aspects of it and how it ties into the NASA program and then the moon landing and all that good stuff. And then also a metal bracelet booklet.